Imagine that you and I built a data center and we're just raking in the money as we're got one of the hyperscalers paying us, and all of a sudden we get a phone call and it says, "Hey, dude, your data center's on fire." Well, how in the hell would a data center get on fire? The same way a Tesla does, the same way a laptop in the overhead on the plane does. We've all heard of them. These lithium batteries that are inside our phones, our cars, everything, heat up. They're all compacted together and they start on fire. They blow up. What happens to our data center? What happens to our reputation? Well, this is a problem. And there's a small company, it's a market cap of about $467 million, and it makes lithium batteries for forklifts. Been doing it for years. Has never, ever had one catch on fire. Why is that? Because they build them such, they have a patented operation that makes sure they don't catch on fire. You've never heard of them. It's Electra Vera, and its ticker symbol is ELVA. Now, you probably haven't heard of it because it isn't recognized by Wall Street. Let's give you an example. Today, right now, they have sold 130,591 shares so far today, and it's 10:46 Standard Time. Now, at the same case, they're 130,000 compared to Micron's 33 million or NVIDIA's 49 million. So Wall Street isn't aware of them. So the fact is, but they are growing. In the last year, their revenues rose by 43%, up to $63 million. Their EBITDA rose by 115%. Somebody's figuring out what's going on, and what in fact has happened is the Department of Energy has funded them to build a plant in New York, Jamestown plant, that will be finished the end of this year to supply data centers with the batteries they need, so when the electric company hits their peak and raises their prices, they can go to the batteries and save millions of dollars using that stored electricity, which they were able to get into their batteries at the cheaper price, and make the companies millions of dollars while not burning the factories down. Now, how did I learn about this? Bard is my AI agent that goes and finds companies, and I also have 900 people in my tribe who give me clues to say, look at this stock, Carrie. I think it has something going in the electricity field. So I had Samantha run a analysis of it, and she came back and said, this is going to reach your standard, Carrie, of doubling in 3 years, and it may go beyond that. Because who do you think wants these batteries more than anybody else that will not burn their factories down, will not burn their data centers down? I want you to know what Samantha taught me. So I am putting a link in the description that you can go to. You just click on it. It will bring up the podcast that she does on every stock that I buy. Because this is simple, but it's very complicated. I don't buy anything that I don't know what I'm buying, and I don't buy anything that I don't know that the price is going to double over the next 3 years. And that's how we've achieved what we've done at Best of Us Investors, and I want you to be aware of it. So go into the description, click the link, and listen to what Samantha and Bard have to tell you about Electra Vera and why they won't be burning your data center down.